Take the exit towards Salmon Sock. Take the second right.
Finally here. A saltwater lake. Alright, let's go. At the Jurassic saltwater. Really exciting, really cold, windy day. Yeah. This one's gonna get a bite. Stand here. What do you reckon the first fish could be, Jason?
Monday.
You think barramundi?
Yeah.
It's like a high chance. They're not far out. As you can see right here. Look. Alright, first fish day. I think we got barramundi. They didn't jump yet, but they do like to jump. So it's not a big one.
Rod tip up.
Huh?
Tip up.
Look at that. Nothing on that. Yes, my first barramundi. I'm so excited. It's gonna jump. I hope it doesn't jump. Wait, I can't believe this is salt water.
It is. Don't taste it. That's good.
Do you have any sharp stuff?
Yes.
It does wear.
It'll prick you no matter what. So just be prepared.
Look up.
Look at that.
Look up.
Oh, got long.
Look at that. Oh,
Oh.
Lift it. Lift. Lift. Stays there.
Look up, Bum. Look up the camera. That's it. Good.
Look
Lovely.
At me.
look at that first barramundi.
Oh.
I got blood on me.
What? The spine, yeah?
Yeah. Right. Jason, gonna lift up the barramundi. How much is this one?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that.
Jason, the camera. Smile.
Second fish. Oh.
No.
Nice one.
Lift the fish up a tiny bit. Grouper incoming. Come on. Yes.
Wow.
They jump, right?
No, these things don't jump.
It's just a barramundi, right? But it's not normal, it's a hybrid.
Hybrid, yeah.
Oh. Look at that, the grouper changes color. It's a hybrid grouper. Beautiful hybrid grouper. Look, his mouth is open. Look at that.
Good. Walk it. No, like hold.
A new PB barramundi. Look at that. Bigger than my first one. Look at that. That's a good size. We'll come back for a photo because we got another big fish incoming. Pakapong, try. The big one, right? What is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Two big barramundis. Oh wow. Wow, look at that one. What? Alright. First grouper ever. This way. Come here. 3, 2, 1.
Good thing.
Wow. Huge.
Look at that. Tail down a bit. That's it.
Head towards me. Turn head towards me.
More. So keep it like that first.
It should be like this. Straight at you, right? First ever grouper. It's a hybrid runner, right? Beautiful. Look at that one. I'm blocking it. A bit more out of the water, yeah. Grouper. Look at that. Alright, so just coming into the end of the fishing trip at the Jurassic saltwater lake. First time here, so it turned out really well. The weather here is really cool. There's a lot of breeze. Temperature is around like 24, 3-ish. And yeah, got some sunlight. And we had some warm, sunny air, breeze, and cold air as well. So a bit of everything. Fishing went really well. 2 new species and a PB. A barramundi and a hybrid grouper, so that's a one. Those are 2 fish that's on my list, which is really great. And you know, it's just completely different in a good way. But yeah, the vibes here have been really great, and I think it was a really great experience. So give it a shot for yourself, guys. It's been really great, and yeah, got some great photos, and I can't wait to show you guys and post them. Alright, so just having a little wander just to see what they have here, and there's another pond here. I think that is like the stock pond. So they put fish here, let them grow, and then once they get bigger size, they put into this lake here. So this is how I'm actually right at the end of the saltwater lake, and this is how it looked like. So this is, I was fishing at 1 with my dad. I was at 2 flying drone. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, 4 here. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5, hut number 5, and this is what it looks like here at the end. So yeah, really great, guys. And you have a nice backdrop with the mountain over there where the sun sets right. My brother says more mainly to the left, but it would have been really epic and cool if the sunset set actually behind the mountain. That would have been like an epic, you know, shot. So yeah, I did bring my camera, and we're gonna take a drone shot. So just having a little wander to show you guys what the vibes here is all about. So yeah, bear with me, guys. I'm also new to this place too. I'm also just trying to explore and see what they have around here, so you guys can have a try for yourself. And here is how it looks like from this perspective. I'm on the end, but on a different corner. We got the aerator here, bumping in some oxygen. We have a bit more lakes here. I'm not sure if it's salt water or fresh water. I'm assuming it's salt water. So it makes sense because they need to add water into here. So there's a bit of mixture of salt and fresh water. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm on the other side now. So I actually wanted to fish that side because I'm actually a lover for like scenery and stuff. So I can get a nice view of the mountain and the sunset backdrop once it hits around evening, so around maybe like 6-ish, but apparently it's getting dark quite quickly. Usually it gets dark around like 6:45-ish, 6:30, but it's getting dark around like 5:50. So yeah, but we're packing out now around like 5 p.m. So we pack a bit earlier here, but it's been a great day, really tiring in a good way. A great experience for sure. But yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. The swim. Okay, so just a little view of what the huts look like. They're all the same, but just depending where you fish, what side. So you get a nice plenty of shade right here, guys. So yeah, look at that gorgeous sunlight over there on the left side, guys. Absolutely stunning. And here it is. So yeah, here's the banks. You got the concrete platform where you stand, and you have the where you fish right here actually. Oops, I don't think you can see. Yeah, right here. It's where you fish. Yeah, really nice, well built, nice and smooth, easy.